Hello guys, and welcome to a tutorial on how to make a hit pop song in under 3 minutes. So let's begin. Now first, you're going to want to make the beat. And we're going to use the 808 kit because that's the only one that will work, apparently. And then you're going to want to change the tempo to around the 158 beats per minute. So that seems to be a really popular tempo right now. And I'm just going to make a really quick, simple beat. Okay, and now we're going to want to add hi-hats, and a lot of hi-hats, like just really an unnecessary amount of hi-hats. And the reason we use so many hi-hats and random instruments such as the cowbell is to sort of make up for the lack of creativity on the beat itself. Now next we're going to want to add some subs, and so we're going to go into Flex right now. And we're gonna want some really bassy subs, kind of get the blood flowing. So there we go. That sounds good. And then we're gonna want to do something like this. Right there. And let's pair that up with the beat. See how that sounds. Probably pitch it up a little bit. There we go. And then this next part is completely optional. You don't need to do this. There are many songs that don't utilize this, but next we're going to need to add a melody. And again, it's completely optional. There are many songs that don't have any sort of melody or melodic structure at all. But we're just going to use one for the sake of this demonstration. Okay, it's just real simple. Let's go back to the key of C real quick. Okay, so something like this, I think, and then we're just gonna repeat that. And there we go. That is how to make a hip hop song in under 2 minutes. And I'm not going to go over vocals or lyrics in this video, but if you want to know how to make a hip hop song with just fantastic vocals and lyrics, comment down below, tell me. But one of the best sort of tricks to making your vocals and lyrics sound really good is just to make indecisive noises, just kind of mash words together, make sounds, that sort of thing. That seems to be really popular. And there we go. That is how you make a hit #1 pop song in under 2 minutes. Thank you. I wake up in the morning and I feel like John, so I step outside and put my Yeezys on, yeah.